So, hello guys, my name is Sunil Kumar and I'm from Delhi. And right now I'm learning full stack development at Gurukul. And I'm in phase 5, in which we have to create a Ask Gemini application, which it will kind of chat GPT. Whatever we ask to the Ask Gemini, it will give an answer like chat GPT. So let's start the video. So here you can see the Ask Gemini. This is the front end of the app. Whatever we ask, like what is what is Java, and when we send, it will give a post request to the backend, and then backend connect to the Ask Gemini API and give the answer to us. So here you can see that it is working properly. So let's see what is the structure of the code. So here you can see, okay, so here you can see the server.js, in which in this video basically uh, I'm going to explain the backend part of this application, because this phase 5 this phase 5 is totally based on backend, like Node.js and Express.js. So this is so let me explain. So what is happening here, whatever we type here, and when I click to this send button, it give it send a post method to our backend. Backend means it send a post method to our server, in which the question whatever we are searching here, it goes there, and then our server, it will send to the Ask Gemini API, and and there whatever is the question is, it search to the Gemini, and it will return a answer to us. And here you can see that here you can see a require express, in which we acquiring express from a package that is available on npm.js website. So we just download that package here, and we store in a variable name express. And for connecting our front end and back end, we use course, because our front end and back end, they both are running on different ports. So if we have to connect both of them, we need cross. If we don't use this, so it will throw a error, and we not able to we cannot just connect our front end and back end. Same is goes for the path. It will just give a path like this. So just we connecting front end and our database, our front end and just current file. And here is the process.env.gemini. It and this is a variable Gemini API key. We use this is a variable. We use that key we use that variable for storing our API key that is here. So what we are doing, uh, we are putting our API key in .env file, because we don't want to reveal that key. If anyone see that key, maybe it will maybe someone use that key, and that's why we use that. And one thing is here, we use here middleware, app dot use. Whatever we are, if we have to use a middleware, we must have to use this keyword dot use. It is you it is a kind of syntax for using a middleware. This middleware course is mm, for connecting front end and back end, and Express.json is a, this is another middleware. What is the work of Express.json is, whatever the answer is, whatever the request is sent from front end to back end, it is came to a, it will came here, uh, it will came here a request dot body, in which, and if we have to see that data, so we need to use this, otherwise the if we don't use this express.json middleware, it will show us a undefined. That's why we have to use this middleware. And what other else, so whatever the question it will send to the front end, it came to here request, and here is it will came into JSON format. So how can we access in a JSON or a object is request dot body. So whatever is the question, it will came to the body, and we are destructuring it and save to the variable name question. And after that we are validating that our we are validating that may our question is not empty, and if it is true, it will return false, because if there was no question, it means nothing. So we just throw a error, and क्वेश्चन खाली नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा करके एरर शो कर देगा ये. And after that, if it is false, so it will came to the here, we for another validation, what we use, if there was not Gemini API key, it will show another error. It will 500, here is 400, here is 500, status 500, and we just send a message success false, and in the error API key configuration nahi hai. And after that, what we are doing, we just create a model, what the model we are using it there, and after that, from where we are giving it to the Gemini AI. After that, what we are doing is we are wait a second. Yep, nothing else. Okay, so here what we are doing, what whatever is the model we are using, whatever the API key model we are using, so we have to use that what we called, mm, the model we are using 2.5. so whatever it is, we stored in a model name variable, and what we are doing, model dot generate content, and whatever is the question is came here, whatever is the question came here, we just passed here, and it will send to the Gemini whatever and this is the Gemini here, it is the Gemini. What we are doing here, we just sending our question to the Gemini, and we are waiting. Await means wait until the answer is came. After that, whatever is the result is came here, we just console.log API result, and here is the result. it is just for my debugging. After that, what we are doing, response, whatever is the response result came here, it will not show you directly the answer. It just like a structure in which there is a object, and the name of the object is result because we store in result, and in that object there is response, and in that response there is a text in which our answer will came. So what we are doing, whatever is the answer here, we just store in answer variable. After that, what we are doing, we are sending a response in which what here, response.json, and success is true, and question we are sending, and also we are sending the answer. And after that, if there was any error, so which what we are doing, just console dot error, and just showing that what kind of error is appearing, and just show the error, and whatever the message in the error, it will show here. Okay, so this is for the phase 5. I hope you like that.